Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Lynn Afros. Today's video is really exciting. Please watch till the end. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these village vlogs, and let me know what kind of videos you love for me to share from the village. Whenever you think of an African village life, this is the picture that comes to mind. While this is the most authentic village experience, some people are improving to the semi-permanent houses that are essentially mud houses like this, but later they are given a better finish using concrete, and that's the finish you have. And for some people, you can even paint the house to make it more colorful and beautiful. But on the other hand, we also have a different kind of experience in the African villages, and this right here is my experience. When you live here, the environment is so lush and so green. It's so calming. We have a few flowers to add to the aesthetics of the compound. Poultry keeping is one of those easy things you do when you have the space, because this is free range and you get to have eggs and meat, as well as production of chicks that add to your collection of poultry over time. So this right here is our compound, which we acquired about 2 years ago. We started from this simple house here, which was used as a straw during the building process. This place is so prime because it's just by the roadside. There's a semi-main road around here, and guess what? We have electricity. We have electricity right there. This pole was already here, so all we had to do was to drop the electricity to our house, which is actually one of the things that makes living in the village quite comfortable for us, because then we can access the internet, we can access power and all the advantages that comes with. So this is our fence for now. It's a live fence and a temporary wooden fence, because we're in the process of building a wall all around the house. And this is how the compound looks like for now. And this here is the house. This house has taken over 2 years to reach this point. Building is not easy. It takes a lot of cash, and when you don't have it ready, you just do it one step at a time. So this is the rear side of the house, the kitchen area. And the essence of this flat roof is to act as a point for a water tank later on. But for now, we collect rainwater using this water tank here. This is the kitchen entry point. This is really serving as well to give us clean rainwater for home use. Let's get into the house now. This is the main entry of the house. Voila! So this is the entry point. It has a lot of space. It's curved at this point. We have our spacious windows. We're using white shears for cover for now. And this is how it looks like from this point. A simple sitting arrangement, which works for now before we furnish the house. The house is still under construction, as you can see. We are yet to put the ceiling board or gypsum according to what the capacity of your pocket. You work with the capacity of your pocket. So this is what we have, and as I told you, there's electricity. So we get to enjoy services such as these. There's electricity. We have a few decorative wall pictures here. I particularly love this one. So the colors of choice for the house are a light gray and green. More decor right here. This was a souvenir from a vacation we took to Malindi in 2018 with our names engraved on the little thing. So this is the rest of the house. So this is the dining, this is the sitting space. So I'm currently standing at the kitchen side of the house. It's an open kitchen plan. You're going to have an island right here, and then you walk from the kitchen into the dining space. Very spacious dining space. So we have this partition from the dining space to the living area. It's been raining a lot, that's why we have extra water for home use here. And so as you get into the dining space, we have all these space to work with. Really spacious. If this were in the city, I don't know how much rent you will be paying for it. This is really spacious. And from the living area, you walk This is a weighing balance because we're into maize farming. This is what we use to weigh our maize bags because we sell 90 kg maize bags. Actually, we're about to harvest, and if you want maize, place your orders. Plenty of maize from Migori County. We're about to harvest. So you get from the living space into the rooms. It's still under construction, so there isn't much to show for now. We have the first bedroom here. And then we have the study what will turn into a study room here. Right now it's being used for storage. And then this is going to be the shared common toilet and bathroom right here. And then this is the third bedroom, also being used as a storage. So this is going to be our shared common toilet and bathroom. It's very spacious as well, so we have a lot of space to work with. As you can see, it's still under construction. I'm telling you, the cost of constructing in Kenya. So we have there the third bedroom, still under construction as well, so I won't take you into that. And here goes the master bedroom. It's an ensuite. So the house is already tiled. We have three different tiles for this house. This is the only one with a door for now because of privacy purposes. And this is how it looks like. It's actually very spacious. I don't think that the camera will do it justice, but it's very, very spacious. So that right there is where we put our extra blankets, and that's the room. This whole space is the master bedroom space. From this point all the way to that basket right there. And this is the toilet, the shared, the now master room toilet. Also very spacious because now it's master ensuite. It's very spacious as well, very spacious. In Nairobi, Kenya, this is either a whole kitchen or a whole bedroom. You know, houses are really tiny in cities. So when you're given a 2-bedroom, this could easily be one of the bedrooms, because you can fit here a 4x6 bed. So this is the bedroom area for now. We have there a mirror. And then this is the walk-in closet right there, which is currently being used for storage because, as I told you, the house is still under construction. So what excites me about this master bedroom area is that it could easily be a 1-bedroom house. This could be the bedroom, the living area, and the kitchen right there. It's very, very spacious. So that's what we have. The hallway, bedroom 2, the shared common toilet, the study room for the kids, bedroom 1 for the kids, the living area, the dining room, and the open kitchen right there. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We're taking this one step at a time, and I love to share the final product with you once it's ready. But this is what we're working with right now, deep in the village in Africa, Kenya.